In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Canva account. If you're new to Canva, it's an easy-to-use design platform for making social posts, presentations, flyers, and more without needing any design experience. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your account set up and be ready to start creating. First, open your web browser and go to www.canva.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. This helps confirm you're in the right place and your information will be transmitted securely. On the home page, look to the top right and click Sign Up. If you're on a phone or tablet and don't see it immediately, tap the menu icon first and then choose Sign Up. This button will start the process of creating your free account. You'll see a few options. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or sign up with email. Choose the option that fits you best. Using Google or Facebook can be faster since it links to an account you already use, and you'll simply approve the connection. If you prefer keeping your design account separate from other services, select Sign Up with Email. If you choose email, type your email address carefully and click Continue. Next, you'll create a password. Pick something strong and memorable. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and keep it private. After entering your password, click Sign Up to confirm. Canva may show a brief loading screen while your account is created. You'll then be asked to choose how you plan to use Canva: personal, student, or small business. Any option is fine. This selection just helps tailor your dashboard and recommendations. It doesn't lock you into anything, and you can still access the same core features regardless of what you choose. Pick the one that best matches how you intend to use the tool. That's it. Your free Canva account is ready. You can start exploring templates, create a new design from scratch, or browse categories to get inspired. A quick tip: bookmark canva.com so you can return to your workspace with one click. If you signed up with email, look out for a welcome message in your inbox. It can be helpful for tips and getting started guides. To recap, go to canva.com, click Sign Up, choose Google, Facebook, or email, create your password if prompted, click Sign Up, select personal, student, or small business, and you're ready to design. Enjoy creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.